Okay, students. Now, welcome to my lectures on the Maths Made Easy. Everyone, please welcome to the lecture series. So, students, today what I'm going to discuss the various types of functions with you. Now, try to understand that what is function. Now, see here in the first part, we have the question f from r star to r star as fx equal to 1 by x, where r star is r minus 0. We have to discuss, we have to prove that it is 1 1 and on 2. Of course, f is 1 1. Why it is 1 1? The reason is very simple, because if I take fx equal to fy, then 1 by x equal to 1 by y will imply x equal to y. So therefore f is 1 1. Now the second part, I have to show that f is on 2. We are going to find the range of this function. So let fx is equal to y. Now what you will observe? 1 by x is equal to y. This will imply x is equal to 1 by y. So let this function be gy. So gy is equal to 1 by y. So y should not be equal to 0. So range f is r minus 0, which is equal to r star, which is codomain. So f is on 2. Now in the second part, what he is asking, if the domain is replaced by natural number, if it is n to r minus 0, fx is equal to 1 by x. Yes, he is asking that is replaced by, and codomain is same. Now what can we say about it? Now we can say that f is 1 1 but not on 2. Why? The reason is very simple, because if we put fx equal to fy, then 1 by x equal to 1 by y will always imply x equal to y. So f is 1 1 in this case. Now see, now natural numbers are f at 1 is 1. Now you will observe f at 2 is 1 by 2. Now what you are going to observe, say f at n is 1 by n, and n is a natural number. So you can say that my range set, range f will be simply open interval and 0 close, which is not equal to r minus 0. So therefore range f is contained in the codomain. So therefore f is not on 2. So student, I hope you must like the solution of it. Now see, in the second, third and the fourth question, that what I am going to discuss, in the second question they have given f from n to n, fx is equal to x square. We have to discuss whether this function is 1 1 on 2 or not. Of course f is 1 1. Reason is because if fx equal to fy, so we can easily say that if the two positive numbers have equal square, then it is only possible when x is equal to y. Now f is not on 2. The reason is very specific. Now you can see that f at 1 is 1. Now f at 2 you will see that it is 4, and f at 3 if you will see it is 9. Now there are natural numbers in codomain, say 2. So we don't have any, can we have this fx equal to 2? Then this will imply x square equal to 2. This will imply x equal to plus minus root 2, and none of this is a natural number. So you can say that there are so many natural numbers like 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, they does not have pre-image. So therefore it is not possible. Therefore f is not onto. Now what if the second case, if this is nothing but from z to z, and if it is defined like this, fx equal to x square, then I will say that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Reason is very simple. Now see, we know that minus 1 is not equal to 1, but their images are same. So therefore clearly f is not 1 1. And even if you can watch that if I am writing fx equal to fy does not have unique solution like this, x square equal to y square, it will imply x equal to plus minus y. So we don't have unique solution. F is not onto. Again a very simple reason. F at minus 1 1, f at 1 is 1, f at 2 is again 4. Now you can see that for the negative number we does not have, so there is a, that is there does not exist, there does not exist any x belongs to z such that fx is equal to minus 1, minus 2 and so on. So clearly f is not onto. Now what happen if I replace this function, the same function f from r to r, as fx is equal to x square. Again I will say that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Reason is very specific. Again, negative numbers and the positive numbers have the same image, that is f at minus 1 equal to f at 1, but minus 1 is not equal to 1. So you can easily say this. And also f is not onto. You can visualize the fact that fx is equal to x square, and which is always greater than equal to 0. So my range f in this case is nothing but 0 to infinity, which is not equal to r. So you can say that range f is properly contained in r. So therefore f is not onto. Okay. Now suppose my function is, instead of this, f from r to r, fx equal to x cube, then clearly f is 1 1 and onto as well. Reason is very specific, because fx equal to fy will imply x cube equal to y cube. The cube of the numbers are equal, then the numbers are equal. F is onto, because when fx is equal to y, then x cube is equal to y, then x is equal to y raised to power 1 by 3. So you can say that y is defined for all y belongs to r. So range f is equal to r. F is onto. Now let us moving on the next question. Let us see what are those questions. Now see, the question is something like this. Question number 4 is f from r to r, fx is equal to mod x. I will say that f is neither 1 1 nor onto. You can visualize from the graph also. The graph of modulus x is something like this, and you can see that horizontal line cutting at 2 points, therefore it is not 1 1. And another, algebraically f is not 1 1, because if fx, you can see that f at minus 1 equal to f at 1, because mod of minus 1 is equal to mod of 1, and but minus 1 is not equal to 1. So instead of that, you can say that mod of negative number the same magnitude and the positive number equal because of the fact f is not onto. What is the reason why f is not onto? Because fx is equal to mod x, which is always greater than equal to 0. So therefore its range f is 0 to infinity, which is always contained in R. So therefore f is not onto, range is not. Now another question number 5, if you will see that it is a signum function. Fx is equal to 1 when x is positive, 0 when x is equal to 0, minus 1. If you are talking about this function from R to R, you can see the graph of this function. It is something like this, and here is 0. Now clearly for every positive number the image is 1. It means it is a many one function. F at 1, f at 2, f at 3, everything, every positive number maps to 1. You can say that many positive number, all positive numbers, just they map to 1 like this. This all positive number map is a many one function. So you can say that f is many one. Now f is not onto. F is not onto. Reason, because range f, because the function has only attained these value minus 1, 0, 1, which is not contained in R. So f is not onto. Now see students, another question. Now see, question number 7 is something like this. F from R to R, fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. So clearly f is both 1 1 and onto. Why? You can see that fx is equal to fy will imply 3 minus 4x is equal to 3 minus 4y. This will get cancelled. This will imply x is equal to y. So hence f is 1 1. Now f is onto. How we are going to prove it? We are going to find the range of the function. Let fx is equal to y. That is 3 minus 4x is equal to y. Now express x in terms of y. That is 3 minus y upon 4 is equal to x. Now this is your new function gy. You will find the domain of it. You can say that it exists for every y, for all y. So therefore range f is R, which is equal to codomain. Hence f is onto. Now in the second context, he is asking f from R to R as fx equal to 1 plus x square. Now see geometrically first, y is equal to 1 plus x square. I can write this as y minus 1 is equal to x minus 0 square. I can say that it is an upward parabola whose vertex at 0, 1. Now from the graph itself, it is cutting at 2 points. By horizontal line test, it is not 1 1. And from the graph itself, you can say the range f is 1 to infinity, which is not equal to R. So this is the geometrical version, but algebraically you can say that you should have a counter example. You can see that f at minus 1, f at 1 both equal to 2, but minus 1 is not equal to 1. Now for range f, what you are going to do algebraically, x square is greater than equal to 0. Now adding 1 both side. So clearly my range f is 1 to infinity, which is not equal to R. So therefore f is not onto. Now student, the next question that I want to discuss with you, this Cartesian product one. The next problem is f from A cross B to B cross A as f of A comma B is equal to B comma A. F is 1 1. Why? Because here is ordered pair. Now what I am going to do, let f of A comma B is equal to f of C comma D. This will imply, by definition of the function, it is D comma C. Now two ordered pairs equal, B equal to D, then A equal to C. Then this will imply A comma B is equal to C comma D. So hence f is 1 1. Now f is on to y. For all A comma B belongs to A cross B, there exists B comma A belongs to B cross A such that f of B comma A is equal to A comma B. So hence f is onto. Now the student next question is this question. You can see that f from n to n is defined as fn is n plus 1 by 2 when n is odd and n by 2 when n is even. We have to check f is not 1 1. Reason is very simple. F at 1, you can see that it is 1 plus 1 by 2 1, and f at 2, again it is 2 by 2 by 2 1, and even if you can see that f at 3 is 3 plus 1 by 2 2, and you can see f at 4 also. There are infinitely many natural numbers for which, so f is not 1 1. Now f is on to y. N is odd. Suppose if I am taking n is odd, then my n will be equal to 2m plus 1. So f of 2m plus 1 is 2m plus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to m plus 1, where m is a natural number. Now when it is even, f of 2m is equal to 2m by 2. So it means my range f is nothing but natural number. So it is on 2. So this way you can do it. Now see, students, the next question, 10th question, fx is x minus 2 upon x minus 3. Set a and b are given accordingly. F is 1 1. How you will proceed? Let fx equal to fy. Then you will do x minus 2 by, use the definition of the function, cross multiply it. We have to get the unique solution of it. Multiply it, xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6, yx minus 3y minus 2x plus 6. Now this will get cancelled. Now it is minus x equal to minus y, x equal to y. F is 1 1. Now f is on to y, because fx is equal to, we have given x minus 2 upon x minus 3. I think it is the same function. Yes, I will find the range of it. Let it be equal to y. X minus 2 is equal to xy minus 3y. We can write x into 1 minus y is equal to minus 2 plus 3y. So x is equal to minus 2 plus 3y upon 1 minus y. Let it be gy. Now gy is defined for y is not equal to 1. So range f is r minus singleton 1, which is equal to my b, that is codomain. So f is on to. Now this is MCQ student. X raised to power 4 R to R. Obviously it is not 1 1, and even it is also not onto, because x raised to power 4 is always, its range is always greater than equal to 0. So range is open in close 0 to infinity. So neither 1 1 nor onto. 3x linear function R to R is both 1 1 and onto. So I hope students you like this video.